Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade a Lenovo Thinkpad E450. What you need to do is turn the laptop on the other side. There's 3 screws that need to be removed, as shown here. So once you've done that, just put your finger in this little hole and then lift up the cover. And now this is the hard drive. Well, there's 4 screws altogether, 2 here and another 2 on top, and then just lift up and remove. Here's the RAM, take DDR3L. Here's the Wi-Fi. And then here is the CMOS RTC battery. So you just pull out from this connector and then you just lift it up. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.